In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a password to your Google Chrome profile the right way. Now, Chrome itself doesn't really have a built-in password lock for a profile the way some people expect, so the best and safest method is to protect the Windows account that Chrome is signed into. That means anyone who wants to open your Chrome profile on your computer will first need your Windows password, PIN, or Windows Hello sign-in. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, press Windows plus I on your keyboard to open the Windows settings menu. This is the fastest way to get to your account's security settings. Once settings opens, look on the left side or in the main menu and click on Accounts. Inside Accounts, find and select Sign-in options. This is where Windows lets you set up different ways to secure your device and your profile. Here, you'll see options like Password, PIN, and Windows Hello. If you don't already have one, set up a strong password for your Windows account first. This is the main protection layer. Then, for quicker access, you can also add a PIN. A PIN is often easier to type, but it still helps keep your account secure. If your device supports it, you can also set up Windows Hello, such as fingerprint or face recognition, for an extra layer of protection. The important thing to remember is this. When your Windows account is protected, your Chrome profile is automatically protected too, because Chrome follows the security of the signed-in device account. So if someone tries to open your browser profile on that computer, they'll need your Windows login first. If you want even more privacy, make sure Chrome is not set to stay signed in on a shared computer, and always lock your Windows session when you step away. You can do that by pressing Windows plus L to lock your screen instantly. That's the simplest and most effective way to secure your Chrome profile without needing any extra extensions or risky third-party tools. So just to recap, open Windows settings, go to Accounts, open Sign-in options, and add a password, PIN, or Windows Hello. Once that's done, your Chrome profile is protected through your Windows login. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.